How to add or remove a card on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you land to the U tab, at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you're in the settings page, head over to this option of your payment methods. Now here you will see the option of add a credit or debit card. Click on that option. If you want to add a card, you have to fill this, provide your card details, card number, expiration date and CVV. After you fill this, click on add your card. With that, the card will be updated in your Temu account. In the case you want to remove the card, what you have to do is click on the card option given in this page. Then at the bottom of it, you will get the option of remove card. Click on that. And just with that, the card will be removed. Well, this way you can easily add or remove a card on Temu account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.